lovelies! Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute little craft jellyfish with items from the dollar store. For this project, you will need a plastic bowl. I got a pack of 3 from Dollar Tree for $1. You want to make sure these aren't too hard plastic. Next, you'll be needing some of this sort of plastic ribbon stuff. You can usually get this from like the party section or with the presents. You also need crepe paper streamers, some scissors or an X-Acto knife, and just a couple of glue sticks and a glue gun. Next, you'll go ahead and grab your scissors or X-Acto knife or whatever you have, and you will very carefully make a little hole in the top of the bowl. Make sure you have it on a hard surface so you're not going to cut yourself. Go ahead and cut some of the ribbon or whatever other string you choose. This is what's going to be used to hang your jellyfish. Go ahead and feed it through the hole and tie a knot to make sure it doesn't slip through. Next, you're going to grab your streamers and cut 5 lengths of streamers. You can also spice up the project a little bit and make it a little fancier if you use a bath loofah that you've cut up or strips of fabric or ribbon. Next, what I'm doing is crumpling up the streamers to make them less flat and two-dimensional and just more, I think it makes them look more organic and just generally more jellyfish-like. Next, you're going to take your plastic ribbon, and like I said previously, you can also use like actual satin ribbon to make it a little fancier. You're going to take whatever you use and cut up 6 lengths of that. Once you have your 6 pieces of ribbon, if you're going to be using the plastic ribbon like I am, you can go ahead and, if you feel like it, do little curlicues with it. How you do this is you very carefully take your scissors and then press the one end of the ribbon down on the scissor blade and gently pull it across using your thumb to keep it in place. Go ahead and do this with all 6 of your pieces of plastic ribbon, and then next up I'll show you how to attach them. The last step in this project is to attach everything together. So go ahead and take your hot glue gun, and in like the middle or intersection of the bowl, go ahead and place 5 dots of glue, and on each of those dots of glue you're going to insert one of the streamers that we made. It actually helps if you kind of ball up the end, so you're not going to be sticking your fingers right in the glue. So that's what that part looks like. Now go ahead and put 6 dots of glue on the outside rim of the bowl. I generally do these 2 at a time because otherwise the glue will dry. Go ahead and tuck one of the ends of your plastic ribbon into each of those glue dots and cover that with more glue to make sure it's really firmly in place. Once you've got all those completely glued in, you can go ahead and flip your jellyfish over and untangle all of the ribbons that have undoubtedly gotten tangled together. So this is your finished product. I hope you enjoyed making this project. Have a great day.